Hey, Acumatica consultants out there. Have you ever gotten one of those client requests that just makes you scratch your head?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I know what you mean.
Like when they need to copy data for new items,
Right.
but they want to exclude certain information from some of the tabs.
Huh. I see what you're getting at.
It's like they want to copy everything but, say, the cross-reference data.
Yeah, figuring that out can be a real pain sometimes.
For sure. It can turn a simple task into a huge time sink.
Absolutely. So how do we tackle this?
Well, that's what this deep dive is all about. Today we're looking at a solution from Premalatha, a software engineer who has worked on over 250 different Acumatica scenarios.
Wow, 250. That's impressive. She must have seen it all.
Right. And the case we're diving into today is a perfect example. Her client needed to prevent that cross-reference tab data from being copied to new items.
Even when they're using Acumatica's standard copy-paste function.
Exactly. Imagine having to tell the client that something that basic just doesn't work the way they expect.
Oh, I can only imagine the frustration there. So what did Premalatha come up with?
Well, she figured out how to make Acumatica work smarter, not harder. So instead of creating a whole new process, she actually extended that stock item screen graph, with some custom code.
Okay, I'm following.
And get this. She used this function called PX copy paste hidden fields.
PX copy-paste hidden fields.
Yeah.
Interesting. What does that do?
Well, it basically lets developers choose which fields shouldn't be copied when you paste.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. So in this case, she told the system to copy everything, but a T, the cross-reference tab data.
That's a really neat solution. It keeps the process simple for the client, but gives them the control they need behind the scenes.
Right. It's the kind of thing that makes us consultants look like rock stars.
Absolutely. And hey, did you know there's this external call function too? It opens up even more customization options.
Yeah. We don't have to dive into the technical details here, but I'm sure it's got your gears turning.
Definitely. It just goes to show how flexible Acumatica can be. You can really tailor it to meet any need.
And the best part is, this approach actually worked.
It did.
Premalatha's client was thrilled. They were able to streamline their item creation process without sacrificing data integrity.
That's a win-win for sure. It probably saved them tons of time and headaches down the line.
Totally. And speaking of Premalatha, she's part of Tiana Solutions.
Tiana Solutions.
Yeah, they're the biggest Acumatica services partner out there. They have a huge team of experts.
Wow. I bet they've seen and solved just about every Acumatica challenge you can imagine.
Probably. If you're ever facing a similar problem or just stuck on a customization, Tiana Solutions might be just what you need.
Sounds like it. They're probably great at speeding things up, fixing problems quickly, all that good stuff.
Exactly. And if you want to connect with them, you can give them a call at 678-910-2774.
Perfect. I'll make sure to keep that number handy.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a thought.
Okay, I'm listening.
We've seen how Premalatha used this hiding fields trick for copy-paste. But think about how else you could use this technique in Acumatica. Could you use it to simplify other processes or solve other tricky customization requests? What do you think? It really shows you what's possible when you get creative and really know your way around Acumatica.
Yeah. And if you ever hit a wall, remember, there's help out there.
Like those folks at Tiana Solutions.
Right. They can turn a tough situation into a success story, just like Premalatha did with this whole hiding fields thing.
For sure.
Yeah.
So to all you Acumatica consultants, keep pushing those boundaries, keep finding those creative solutions, and don't be afraid to reach out for a helping hand.
Great advice. Thanks for this deep dive. It was really insightful.
You got it. Until next time, keep customizing.